Welcome! Let's dive in and solve an interesting math problem.
Read the question carefully. Grab a pencil and a calculator or tablet, and let's solve and verify the answer together.
Let's excitedly walk through the step-by-step solution of this problem. Since the variable has a power of 5, we remove it by taking the fifth root on both sides. This gives us a equals the fifth root of 500. A root can be written as a fractional power. We factorize 500 into 2 squared times 5 cubed. Then we apply the power to each factor and multiply the exponents. So the final answer is a equals 2 raised to the power 2/5 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 3/5. Therefore, the correct answer is option A. Since the answer, option A, now let's verify it. When we raise this value to the power 5, the fractional exponents cancel out and we get 500. Since the left-hand side equals the right-hand side, the solution is correct and verified. So, did you find the video helpful? Was your solution the same or a little different? If you liked the video, don't forget to share it with your loved ones and let them know they're on your mind. And make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos.